Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to extract honey using a honey extractor. We love to show you how to do everything by hand, simple, cheap, easy. But I do want to start to show you some things that you can do a little bit, with the right knowledge and the right tools, a little bit larger scale so that you can sell at market. Nobody's good at everything, but we're all good at something. So we need to learn how to be more community sufficient because no one can really be self-sufficient entirely. And with everything going on with the world, the trade wars, it's really all a push to get people to be producing things more locally. And you really want to buy local, especially with honey. There was research done recently with the big box stores, and they found that something like 97% of everything tested in the honey departments proved to not be identifiable as honey. So these cheap foreign honeys that are flooding the market are showing in tests to basically be expensive sugar syrup. So you really don't know what you're getting when you're not buying from something local, from people that you know and that you trust. So you want to support your local producers, and you also want to produce something. So today we're going to show you how to do this with honey, with the equipment that you need to show you how easy it is to produce enough honey to sell at your local market. The first thing that you have to do is to make sure that the honey is dry enough for storage. Too much moisture in the honey can cause it to sour into mead.
And you just look through it, make sure the sun goes through that. Oh yeah, that's 16%. Can the camera even see that?
I don't know. It's so bright out here I can't tell. Maybe not.
You can look through it and you can tell. You see that dark blue line?
Mm-hmm.
It's showing at 16?
Yeah.
Anything below 18 is extra dry. So this is even though it's not capped, it's drier than some of the stuff that's capped already. So it needs to be spun out. That's very, very, very thick honey, very dry honey. That's 16%.
The next thing that you have to do is uncap the honey, which basically means that you're cutting off just the very tips of the wax in order to expose the honey that's inside. We then have to put it into the honey extractor, and this is going to spin and sling the honey out of the comb and into the extractor.
You spin it out. And after we spin it out, tell us either this is full or we'll hit the end.
Once you've extracted the honey, you want to flip the frames over and extract again to make sure that all of the honey has come out from both sides of the frame.
You just start slow and you kind of work your speed up.
You start out too fast, it jingles all over the place.
Because each frame weighs differently.
Yeah, it's all balanced like a washing machine.
It's all balanced like nothing and jumping everywhere.
But if you go slow, it slings the honey out and stays balanced. That's nice speed. Now we can take them out and swap out.
Alright, just repeat that process 12 more times.
Open the tap and let the honey out of the extractor into a bucket through a straining filter. These filters are basically just strainers meant to catch large chunks of wax that may have broken off into the honey in the extractor. We must be in the promised land. Kai opened up the taps, the honey started flowing, and I started hearing shofars.
I don't remember where I got this from. I ordered it years ago. So I don't know. I'll have to go through my emails and see. It was from a mom and pop shop. Anyway, Now that you got the honey in your bucket, I got a special bucket with a valve over here for bottling. I don't remember where I got it from. I'll look through my emails and see if I can find it. I bought it years ago from a bottle company. And you just put it on there and you just push it. What's good about this valve, as you pick up, it slows it down. And,
Whoa, it's so pretty.
It's so pretty, he said.
What's this thing?
it's pretty. Yeah, you just kind of slow it down and you can get a precise measurement. And I got, with the bottles, I got caps for it that has a airtight seal. And once you tighten down,
Seals it.
it puts a seal on it.
Okay.
And you just put your label on it.
And that's how you extract honey from your hive boxes or market using a honey extractor. Be sure to check out our other bee raising videos on everything from catching wall swarms to building your own boxes. Thanks for watching.